How to log into Scotia online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into Scotia online bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Scotia Bank online, first of all, you want to open your browser and then go to scotiabank.com. When you go to scotiabank.com, you will see this kind of interface basically. Once you go to scotiabank.com, tap on the sign in button from the top right hand side of the screen, and then once you click on the sign in option from the top right, it will take you to a page where you can simply enter your credentials. So right over here you can see it will ask me to enter my username and my card number of my online banking and then my password. If you would like it to remember your username or card number, you can check this and then just click on the sign in option to sign into your Scotiabank online banking account. Now if you forgot your password or anything else, then you could also just tap on the need help signing in button. It will take you to a page basically where you can simply reset your username, your password, your two-step verification, your mobile number, your lost or stolen card, depending upon whatever problems that you're looking for. But just to sign in, you should be able to do it right from this page by just clicking on the sign in button. And that's all it takes to sign into your Scotiabank online banking. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.